Here I have FAIRPHONE for 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. For this operation you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. So, where's the slot? Okay, so I believe... Wow. So on this device you won't really need this tool. You have a hatch here, and using this hatch we have to remove back cover. Okay, so let's get it. Here we go. You make it nice and slow like this. So next what you will have to do is to remove battery, I believe, because slots are located here. So you do it like this. So here you have a slot for SIM card, for SD card. You put it like this. And here you have slot for SIM card. And then you put battery back in. Hold down power key to turn our device back on. Put on back cover. And yeah. So as you can see, it requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also a notification indicating that SD card, tap to setup, which proves that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.